See the size is different, some offset, so some modeling issue here. Yep. So this particular curve here is a bit different. Edit. Let me double check here. Yeah, no wonder. See the arc? Yeah, I think the arc issue. Anyway, challenging. See, cannot drag. It's how it's been drawn. It's the radius issue here. This one fit nicely. This one is not. So in a way that a certain edges offset movement is not accurate. Yep, no wonder. Okay, so you can see that even you do model, some of the parts here might not satisfy everyone. Smaller, fit nicely, and this is not. Unless you want to do a quick measurement and modify this to here. What is the size? Distance. 400. So 400. 400 divided by 2. 15200. So what is my radius? That means my radius is wrong. Aha, here is 15200. But you can see that the whole thing is out. See that? So you can see that this particular adjustment is not there. Okay, because of this. Now I'll try to use the alignment to drag it back. Align to here. Okay, hopefully it does reflect. I think it does, but here slightly bigger. No, it's nicely done. Finish it. Any change? No mascot change. Ay, okay lah, never mind. Sometimes just measurement issue. They are not properly aligned. So okay, never mind. Some setting is minor, so leave it. Okay, so you guys should see something like this. Yeah. So as for this is a normal slab, then you can just select your railing, right click, draw similar or create similar, base offset minus 1150, then you draw. Okay, from here you sketch. If continuous like this is a chain, so turn on the chain, sketch it. This is an arc, so make sure you select, pick this, then line, you draw. Whoops, what is this? Here. Okay, it should be stopped at there. Finish it. Outside. Okay, you can see there's a flipping, flip railing direction. Flip it, it should be inside. But if it's inside and it's not joined, then please join it. All right. Edit the path here. Try to select here. Okay. Then I believe it should join. If still doesn't, then see whether here we can join. But because this is railing, so this is wall join. See, it's not allowed. Okay, since anyway it's concrete wall, as long as you draw up nicely like that, then it's good enough. Okay, like this. Yeah. Of course, this one piercing through is wrong lah. You should not do like that. If it's a bit, it's okay, but this is piercing through. Should not be. Okay. So for this particular case here, I just go to edit path, stop here. Yeah, that means I'm going to drag this separately, stop there. Okay, then you create another one. No choice, it should be here. Oops, what's happening? Okay, done. Flip inside. Just a flipping tools. Yep, so it look like this. Questions? One more is inside here. Okay, which is here. All right, so you can select your the railing, right click, create similar, one at a time, which is here to here. Okay, finish it. Oops, where is it? It's at the bottom or what? How come my railing is disappear? It's kind of weird, huh? My railing disappeared. Oh, sorry, it's there. I see, okay. It's been blocked by this particular guy. Okay, so how come there's a beam here? Delete the beam away. Then you should see the component there. Because below there's a beam already. Hey, how come I has been signed out? Excuse me, why am I been signed out? It will affect the recording, so I don't know who signed in and disturbed my class here. There shouldn't have any class from here. It should be our class only. Okay, I think the recording has been affected already. So hopefully it's still connected. All right, so you got to do something like this. All right, 4 more wall on this side. Okay, so the real wall, any so-called color dimension? No, right, I believe. If no, you just simply sketch some more. Take away the chain, one at a time. Finish it. Yep. Again, create similar, sketch. Because all these, if you can copy and paste, you just need to do one or once, then you copy and paste. Yeah. No need to every floor and draw. Okay. So, yep, all done. So like this. Okay. Here you no need to cover because that is your parapet wall. Parapet means archy wall. You should not draw archy wall from there. Next is this area here. Yep. So this area should be here. Okay. So challenging. How am I going to draw? Because this part here, there might be a overlap, right? Overlap from where? From here and here. So you guys got to watch out for that. Okay, let me try on this side. This is from the level 2, which I can see from here. Okay, let me draw once to show it to you. Archy sketch path. So pick holes. Select this. Okay. So this is flat, right? So here should not have anything. I believe should be a pick line from here. Oops, why this line? This line I want. This line is delete. You guys just got to watch out. Be careful on that. Hopefully it doesn't clash on anything. Yeah. Here is cover, right? Let me see. Yeah. So select this, drag, adjust here, finish it. Okay, the warning, because there's a beam that is there, don't worry. As long as you lower the beam to support the ramp, then it's okay. So here, just that to make sure that it's inside. Yep, it look like this. Okay. So here the parts, because due to the curve, kind of weird shape. The profile is a bit weird. Alright, yeah. So this one you got to set or move this lower. That's why I didn't delete. You see, suppose supporting below. I didn't do that. Okay. So the other one is you draw on this and this curve here. Yeah. So I'm gonna draw a bit from here. Okay, let's try. My mouse give me the problem. Okay. Railing, sketch path. I will try to draw from here into arc. Alright, because I want this to be a line to this, to here. At least the curve, make sure it's nicely snap nicely. Then I wanted to pick line on this, and on this, but this one cut nicely. Okay, like that, because flat surface. Okay, looks good. Yep, it looks good. Here a bit low is okay. All right, as long as there's a wall there. It's just that you need one piece to be here. Oh, so select this, right click, create similar, sketch here lah. In your view, 1, 2. Yeah, stop it. Okay. Wait, where is it? On the floor? Why disappear? Ground level. Ah, no wonder. It's a ground level. It should be at level 2. So be careful. All right, you should be at level 2. Nice spec. Okay, because when you activate the tools from model, they always go to ground level. You activate the function from the plan, then you stay at the plan. Okay, so at least I've created something like this. Then you should regenerate or copy and paste all the way up. Questions? Anyone? Excuse me. Because you can see that I didn't add the column, beam here to support. That's why here I believe I need to have a column. Okay, just like here I should be able, but I don't know why it's not added. Maybe to them that is sufficient. Yeah. Okay, so if you add a ramp here, a column here, they'll defeat the purpose to them. But to me, I think that it should be okay. So what is this angle here? You know, you can actually draw one line, RP, reference plane. Okay, RP, not real path, RP. How come this guy give me some other stuff? You can sketch one point here, estimate here to here, 45, like that. Then what are you going to do? Simple. Select your column, right click, create similar, insert one here. All right. In the way that insert here. Okay. Two parts. Oh, frightened me. I thought what's happening so short all of a sudden. Okay, one piece first. Set this guy. Why can't I select this column? Oh, it's floating on top. It should be on the ground level to second story. Yeah. That's the reason why I think they did not have this, because if you have this column here, the trailer, anyway, this is going in out here. Yeah, for small lorry, they got to be careful on this pavement. I think it's still not a big issue all right, because here there's one way in and one way out. Here might have some adjustment, but safety important. The way you design, I think, is more critical. Okay, I would like to have one RP again, reference line to here. Okay, half of the inside, 45 degrees or 50. Why? Because I want to alignment. Modify, align this face to this face. Then you auto rotate. Whilst auto rotating, you can move midpoint. Okay, to this. If you don't want this way, you can use the alignment tools again. Align this to align this. See? Then the angle, I think, is 50, right? You could rotate a bit. Actually, 45 should be fit nicely. What is the angle? 5 degree. Yeah, I think 5 degrees is good. like that. Okay, guys, see or not? Like this. If not, you want this to be sit inner a bit, it's better still. Fully support, as long clear from the path is alright. Okay, so you can be like this, align to this, but cannot I think can only move it from here to here, snap. Okay, closest will do, need not to be outside. Yeah, like this. Okay, I think at least from here it should satisfy the loading. So one here, the other column should be here also. Copy, paste here. Okay, need not to be 100% accurate. It's just that we got to ensure that, you know, is properly seated, because it should not be coming out. Yeah, and the rotation, all right, it should not be appearing. So because it's appearing, then the coverage will not be easy. So I can just rotate a bit, place the rotation point here, and you adjust it lah. As long as it doesn't appear outside. Okay, maybe I still got to move it out a bit. Now just do simple estimation, no choice. Oh, something to clear. All right, like that. Okay, if you still can't get it works, draw one beam across first and make sure at least the beam is perpendicular. I think make it easier for you to understand. Okay, because if I believe if I draw one beam here, this beam is a bit slant, but as long as it's flat, it's holding it, is okay if it's slant. The connecting size make sure it's the same lah. Oh, so it should look something like this. Can? Yep. Anyway, this movement here, not many movement. All right. So our support, we still need to have this, because sometimes you can get a beam from here, which is normally you don't want it to protrude out lah. So I wouldn't encourage you to do that. Okay, questions. So I think more or less with this, everything should be in place. Roof got nothing much, only the ceiling, but here I believe you still got to add the parapet. But this parapet here no need to be 500. It should be thinner. All right, set it to 200 will do. Because here got, I think should be a garden park here, something like that. So you need to have a parapet wall surrounding it. Okay, follow the profile. Should be around 200. The height, try to adjust it to 1.2 or at least minimum 1.1. Okay, questions? Other area which is here, I think the column need not to be so high up because you are reaching the level, especially for this you don't need. Yeah, okay, for some of them is no need to have this. Okay, you can have this shorter, adjust it accordingly, because normally on top should be open. Yeah, which is actually, if you look carefully, there's nothing for them to come up. Okay, so this piece is not required, see or not, because it stopped at this level. This is redundant. That's why I did not delete, because try not to create confusion. Okay, because I should have one going down, which is the blue color, which is I did not do it. Okay, yep, so like that. So we have the blue one here, then it's okay. Questions? So on top here, you may change the height accordingly. Should not be that long. Support until the ram only. I mean the railing height. So adjust accordingly. So quiet. Okay now. Here leh? Same thing Ah. Of course, try to finish your cover. Everything looks okay for this case. Yep, I think we are done. Your model. Can? Okay, everyone. If no questions, let me stop recording.